Introducing our cutting-edge frozen ice lolly packing machine, specially engineered to meet the demands of the scorching summer season. Crafted with precision and innovation, this machine is designed to pack frozen delights at an astonishing speed of 10,000 pieces per hour, ensuring a seamless production process even during the busiest times. Constructed entirely from premium 304 stainless steel materials, our machine guarantees durability, hygiene, and resilience against corrosion, making it ideal for food processing environments.